Hello friends, welcome to Owusu's kitchen. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how I make my time-saving tomato stew that can last for months, and it is great with wache stew, jollof rice, fish and chicken stew. So come on in and let's do this. For ingredients, I have black pepper here, some bay leaves, onga seasoning powder and maggi cubes. And over here are some smoked paprika, this is curry powder, and some basil, as well as aniseeds. I'm using powdered aniseeds, but feel free to use whole ones and blend with some of the ingredients. And these are chopped onions and our tomato puree. I have already prepped all these vegetables, and you'll find the rest of the ingredients at the description box with their quantities. And my friends, this is my prep and store garlic and ginger. That's it's so handy when needed, okay? So I just go ahead and chop up my ginger. It helps to chop it into small cubes so that it will blend smooth and not stringy bits. And have you subscribed, my darling? If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe with your notification bell on to receive all future uploads. Over here are some scotch bonnets which I'm going to blend with the last batch of my tomato and bring it to a boil. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, remember to give your sis a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching.